Po prvem tednu dela v Velenju smo se preselili v Kranjsko Goro, kjer bomo poskušali delati predvsem na igravanju, hkrati pa tudi še zmeraj dvigovati kondicijsko pripravo, tako da bodo vse vaje usmerjene pravzaprav integralno. Hkrati bomo poskušali vplivati na tehnično-taktično znanje igralcev in pa na njihovo kondicijsko pripravljenost. Vsi fantje so zaenkrat zdravi, ambiciozni, zelo dobro motivirani, novi igralci so se odlično vključili v naše delo, tako da z tega vidika ni nobenega problema in delovni pogoji v Kranjski Gori so ravno tako odlični. Imamo na voljo pravzaprav vse tisto, kar si želimo. Iz dneva v dan je tudi razumevanje nalog, taktičnih rešitev, ki si jih zamišljamo, vedno boljše, tako da pravzaprav smo lahko optimisti pred nadaljevanjem priprav.
We came to Kranjska Gora yesterday and we got a nice lunch when we came here. We had a good training yesterday evening, and it's always when you go on these training camps, it's always nice to see the players that they are a little bit more connected, they are a little bit more relaxed than they are when they are at home, when they have to go fast after the training, because of course they also have obligations for their families, and also to connect them better when they are in a hotel. They need to speak together. So in that way, it's very given that we are here. In terms of the trainings, they are working very good. Like always with Gorenje, the last, and now it's my 4th year here. I'm always impressed about how much effort they are putting into the trainings and preparation, and it's very rare that you as the coach need to raise your voice, because they all know that this is important, and they know that yes, it's a tough period, but they know that it will pay back later on. So overall, we are feeling good in Kranjska Gora.